Hi guys, today's video is going to be a swatch and wear test of the new lip stains from Colourpop. These ones are the ones that came in the Cherry Crush collection, which came out recently. So there is only two colours that I will be swatching today, and they are both different shades of red. So this is going to be interesting to see how well I can take the first swatch off. So I'm going to swatch both colours for you today, and then I will wear one of them for the entire day and let you know how I go with it, like let you know if it like fades or anything like that throughout the day. It is like 11:30 now. I'm starting a bit late in the day. I was hoping to start earlier, but this is what we're working with today. So with that all being said, let's get into it. I'm going to start by showing you two other products that I bought in this haul. I actually have been spending so much money lately. I have done two massive hauls of Colourpop, so there's going to be a lot of Colourpop footage coming your way shortly over the next few weeks. I fell in love with a lot of the like little cute things that they released with this collection, so I bought a lot. Well, I bought a few things. So I'm going to start by showing you the cute little hair clips that I got. Aren't they adorable? I'm obsessed with like fruit things. Like I always love cherries. I was gonna wear it today, I forgot. Whoops. Oh well. I have a cherry like match outfit, like a cherry coordinate outfit, you know, like the top and a skirt that matches, that's got cherries on it. Anyway, and I also have a cherry dress. I just like really like fruit things. I think they're really cute. I also like floral patterns, but anyway, that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about cherries. And these clips are called the Cherry Sweet Hair Clips, and you can see it comes with a two, and it comes in adorable packaging, and I'm gonna pop them on for you today. The graphic designers at Colourpop honestly must have so much fun, because every collection has like completely different style of like packaging, which is awesome, and it just looks so cool. And that's exactly how you get me to buy things if you're interested. Just have the cutest packaging in the world. Adorable, if you ask me. I never wear clips, so I'm super excited to have these ones. They're so cute and red and cherry like. Love it. Anyway, the next item that I purchased, I've actually wanted one of these ever since they've started releasing them from Colourpop. They are the handheld mirrors, and this one is of course the little cherry one. So this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't it just adorable? So it is the Mon Cherie hand mirror. Mon Cherie. It's like French. Even comes in like red foam, packing foam, and it's just like a little handheld mirror. Super cute, super useful. Obviously everyone needs like handheld mirrors these days when you just have them everywhere. But anyway, it's gonna be useful for me today because I'm gonna be like put on my lip gloss, like, yeah, got it. But anyway, okay, so now that we've got that sorted, I just wanted to give you a little bit of background on these lip stains. So they are called the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stains, and these two were the first that they released, and since I purchased these, they've actually released like a bigger color range of them. But they are Colourpop's first ever hybrid lip formula, which combines the long-lasting powers of a lip stain with the shine and gloss for a kiss of color that lasts all day. They have antioxidant rich ingredients packed with vitamin rich guava extract and lychee extract, both known to fight free radicals, and they have a fresh feel with a glossy finish. This hydrating water-based formula delivers medium to buildable coverage with a non-drying glossy finish for a juicy, just bitten look. It's absolutely stunning. Both of them are, if you ask me. I have a feeling I might like this one better, but we'll see. They don't really have like a scent. It's like maybe a tiny bit like perfumey. So it's supposed to go on glossy, and the colour will stain my lips all day. I imagine the gloss wouldn't last all day, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna zoom you in a little bit closer to my lip. All the swatches. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the same order that I did the arm swatches. So we're starting with a double cherry. It smells like something like a lip gloss from my like childhood. Anyway, let's check this on, shall we? It's really cool. Like, it feels really cool. It's super slippy too. I don't want to lean on the table with it. Okay, so far I really like this. It went on super easily. The brush tickled my lips when I was trying to like do my Cupid's bow sort of area here. That was like so ticklish. I don't know if it was just my hand. I feel like I'm very sensitive to being tickled, so I tickled myself somehow. It feels really comfortable. Right now it does feel like They're definitely like glossy. It definitely doesn't feel like it will not rub off on things right now, and maybe that's because like at the start it starts as a gloss and then like as you wear it it fades more into a lip stain. So I'm just gonna do the kiss check thing on the back of my hand and we'll see how we go. My finger, I'm gonna get it everywhere. Yeah, right now it is going places. So I mean it's only been on for like a minute, but it is not kiss proof currently, so just be aware of that. I was thinking that this would be like kiss proof from the get-go, but it definitely looks like a lip stain. Like on my lips, sorry, should be using this. God, my skin around my nose is so dry. Like here, I have like a pimple and I put pimple cream on it and I think I used too much. I have like this little breakout around this area because I've like gone in with too harsh a pimple cream, and then I have overhydrated it to try and fix it, but now I've got all these breakouts, which is not fun. But anyway, what do we think? I really like it, but I have to take it off and put on the other one, so I will be back and let's do that. I actually really like this colour. I'll be interested to see if I prefer this one or the other one, because I thought that I was gonna like the more purpley colour, so like the more like blue toned red. We'll see what happens. So that is as good as I can get it off, which I'm not gonna lie, I've still got it in like the cracks because my lips are a bit dry, and I used my micellar water and my little face halo thing and then some water as well with that because that's supposed to help, and it's definitely got some staying powder. I decided to take off my arm swatches as well because they were still a little bit like glossy, so I didn't want it to get on my clothes, even though I'm wearing black so it doesn't really matter. You can see they've like still, they've definitely got some staying powder there. Let's do the second colour now. So now we're going to do Love Bite. So there we have it. That is both of these lip swatches done. I'm going to leave this one on now and I will wear it for the rest of the day, and I will come back every few hours and do check-ins so you guys can see how it is wearing. It feels very like glossy at the moment. Not very glossy, but pretty. There's like definitely a gloss feel to it right now, and as I tested before with the other color, it will come off. I will do it again. You can see it is not kiss proof right now. I will say the formula, I do like it. Personally, I always find working with red difficult because it stands out so much. So if you make a mistake, like if you go too far out, it's like obvious right away and it can be hard to erase. I feel like this, I've been able to just like wipe it away with my fingers. I will say though, it does stick to your fingers. Like I've found it really difficult to get off the tip of my finger there, but like it does move around very easily. I would suggest starting from the like middle of your lip and then pushing the product around to the edges so that you're not getting like tons on the edge, because the first time when I like went to line up the top of my lips, I did it with like the tip of the brush and I never touched it anywhere else, and there was so much product right on the tip of my Cupid's bow, which was not ideal because then I had to kind of like try and pat it down. Whereas the second time when I applied the second color, I started in the middle. I even like popped the tip just in the middle here just to like get the main part of the product off, and then I started blending it up towards the edges just so I didn't have a massive amount of product on the edges that could then smudge outwards like into my skin. I just wanted to give you a super close-up of this color so you can see what it looks like now. I do really like this color. I actually think I might like the first color I did better, which is surprising because I really thought I was going to like this one better. But this is the one that I have popped on last, so this is the one I'm going to wear for the rest of the day. And I will let you know how I go with it. Okay guys, so it is now almost 2:30 and I have been wearing this for just over 2 hours now, and you can see it is quite faded. I have eaten a lot though. I've been drinking water from a water bottle, and I've had a protein shake and a grilled cheese, ham and tomato sandwich, which probably didn't help because of the oils, but you can definitely see it has faded a lot. I'm drinking coffee now too. So this is what we've got. You can sort of see I have like a line around it, and then there's like here it seems to be missing some. My bottom lip seems to be a bit more coloured than my top. I'm wondering if it's because my bottom lip is drier than my top lip, but even then it's missing it from the center. I feel like it always fades in the center first because that's where the most action happens, I guess. So this has been 2 hours and this is what it looks like. I'll come back in a few more hours and you'll see what it looks like then. Hi guys! It is now 7:15ish and I have been wearing this for like 8 hours, I think. And you can see it's pretty much gone. There is definitely some lining around the edge where it's stained a little bit better than the rest of my lips. I have eaten a lot and drank a lot today, so it could be to do with that. And I did just exercise, so I don't know if I got a little bit sweaty. And I feel like I do lick my lips a lot, which is probably why I use so much lip balm. I haven't used any lip balm today though, because I didn't want to ruin the effects of the lip stain. But anyway, I will stand a little bit closer so you can see what it looks like. But you can really see it's just kind of stuck mainly to the edges of my lips and to the really dry parts, like the cracks in the middle. It is still like a nice color where it is stuck. It's just obviously something that you probably need to reapply a little bit more, but this was like a wear test just for like the entire day. Well, my entire day. It's been like 8 hours, as I said before, but I'm gonna shower and take off my makeup in a second. So I thought that I would come and show you what it looks like for the last part of my day. I will say that I do quite like it. It was very comfortable. My lips do not feel dry considering it's like a lip stain and it stayed on for the last 8 hours. And I know this isn't like the best payoff to have at the end of the day, but it still felt really good. Also, it didn't go everywhere. Like, I have eaten so much. I almost ate as soon as I finished filming that segment, like the first part of this video this morning, and like it has not gone all around my mouth, which is really impressive considering it's a red, because I feel like when I like have red lipstick it just goes everywhere. So I do quite like that. I do quite like this product for that purpose, because I do like a good red, but I find it like difficult to pick when to wear one, because if I'm going out drinking and I'm like just going with my friends, I like wearing a red lipstick, but then, you know, if you have like a lot of drinks, you start like getting it everywhere and not realizing it. So I feel like this could be really good for that sort of thing. Or even if you're going out eating, like I know it came off, but like if I just ate one meal out with my friends, I'm pretty sure it would stay a lot better than it has throughout my multiple meals and multiple snacks today. I definitely would, and I definitely am interested in purchasing the other colors. However, I have way too many like lip products at the moment to test out. But if you wanted to see me purchase and lip swatch the newer colors, let me know down below and I will try and work on doing that soon, because I am interested in them and I do love a good nude, so I would love like a nude lip stain. That would be pretty cool. And I wonder if the different like sorts of colors, like so like more nudes would wear better, or like at least you wouldn't notice the fade as much, probably because it's like more similar color to your lips. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. That's just like a hypothesis that I just came up with on the spot there. Also, I did want to say, like in like drinking from a white mug and drinking from a water bottle with a straw, I didn't get any of it on that. Like I don't have any staining on my water bottle or on the mug that I was drinking from. So I think that's pretty cool too, if you ask me, because I know sometimes you get like, you know, the lipstick stains on the glass and stuff like that. So this could be good for avoiding that too. But anyway, I'm gonna send you back to a me from this morning to say goodbye. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about these products, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too. And hopefully I will see you soon. Guys, today's video is going to be a test of the new Cherry Crush collection. These ones are the ones that came in the Cherry Crush. These one, get out. They have they have oh my god. Wait, that's a lie. Is that a lie? Which one should I start with?